everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I got this really awesome set of non-stick pans from ESLITE. The set is very complete with the 3 different sizes. You'll have exactly what you need for an everyday kitchen. So these are cast aluminum pans, so they are really great for heat conduction. They have a steel bottom, and the coating is a nice granite coating that is going to be non-stick without any PFOAs or lead or cadmium. It is really useful for frying. You can use this for boiling. You can even do steaming. Just don't put this into the oven. And I love how non-stick it is. I am putting cheese in here and it did not stick at all. And I love how the handle feels. It's almost like a soft, velvety rubber feel to it. And I love that each pan has its own lid, and this is very non-stick. I have been using less oil to saute vegetables, and these plantains normally need a lot more oil to fry. Well, not in this pan. They're very easy to clean. They look great, and I have a feeling they're gonna last me quite a bit. And that's my point of view.